Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is the first time you're visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning visitor, please do well to like and share this video so that it can get to other people out there that may need it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a full page website screenshot on your computer, right? So I'm going to show you what that looks like so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is a website I made for a client, and this is this full screenshot of the page. You can see the home and everything. So when you scroll, you can see all the features of the website. So I'm going to show you another one I made, Okoye Energy. This is an oil and gas company based here in Abuja. So you can see how clean it's looking. So this is another one for this is global. So you can see it, first section, second section, what we do, our website portfolio, frequently asked questions, our design portfolio, clients we've worked for. You can see Okoye Energy right here, favor beds, and the rest of it. This is how to contact us, testimonials, our blog section, and the footer section as well. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this seamlessly. But before we proceed, I want to introduce you to a course which is currently going on right now. It's going to start on the 1st of February. So this is to empower the youth and every other person that needs a digital skill out there. So we're going to be training some persons on how to master the art of web design. Some of you have digital skills, but you have not been earning with it. So we're going to teach you how you can earn with the skill you have. You can even earn in hard currencies while freelancing your skill. So this course goes for 5,000 naira for early bird, and on the launch day, which is on the 1st of February, is going to be sold at 20,000 naira. So it's best to grab this opportunity right now. So this is coming to you first as my subscribers, and I believe you're going to take advantage of this opportunity. When you're earning in Nigeria, when you earn hard currency in Nigeria, you have more money to spend compared to when you are abroad. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So if you have $1,000 here in Nigeria, it's almost a million naira. But when you are abroad and you earn $1,000 for your project, it's not going to get you anything tangible over there. So this is an opportunity for you to have a skill that can earn you foreign currencies. So that being said, let's jump back straight into our tutorial. So to make the full screenshot of the website, all you need to do is to get an extension called Go Full Page. So all you need to do, open your browser and type Go Full Page on your browser. Then you click on the first one here from Google. So once you've done that, you're going to see a page like this. If you already have the extension on your computer, you're going to see remove over here. But because I don't, though I had it, but I removed it for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on add extension. So it's downloaded right now. So you can see it. So if I want to do a screenshot of my page now, I'll click on this puzzle icon here. So, but before I do that, let me just introduce you to some of the extensions I have running that may be helpful to you. Yeah, so the first one I have here is Grammarly. Some of you know Grammarly. Grammarly helps you for spelling corrections, vocabulary suggestions, and the rest of it. Anything grammar, this does that for you. So Screencastify is what I use for recording on my screens like right now. I use it to do video tutorials also. It's an extension I have on my computer. Then vidIQ is what I use for my YouTube videos metrics to know my subscribers, followers, content that is doing very well, content that is going viral, the ones I need to work on, and the rest of it. This does that for me. So the next one in here is word font. Word font is an extension that helps me know the name of a particular font. Maybe I'm on this website and I see this font. I'll be like, wow, what font is this? And I don't know how to get the font. So all I need to do is just come here, activate my what's it called? My plugin, my extension rather, then just hover it around those fonts here. Then it's going to tell me the font name, the font size, and the font family. So isn't that interesting? So these are just some of the extensions I have. That's not why we're here actually. So the main reason we're here is to get a screenshot of this website. So let me quickly take you to the top of the website. So this is what it looks like. This is Sienna Suit, a website I built for a client, and we're about to take a full screenshot of it. So to do that now, we'll go click on this puzzle icon right here and click on go full page screenshots and just watch the magic happen. You can see it scrolls on its own automatically and captures everything on the screen. Voila, we're here. So that is it. That is just it. So you can either download the screenshot as PDF or you download as PNG. I usually download as PNG. So I'll just click on this now and download this. So let's see what it looks like. So open. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? So you can see the website has a booking feature just in case you want to check it out. siennaseeds.com.ng. So if you want to learn how to build a website also, you can reach out to me. I can gladly teach you how to do that. So this is it. This is it. So if you found value in this video, please subscribe to this channel and also share this video so that this video can get to many people out there that may be in need of it. So thanks for coming around. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.